Welcome back to part 2 of mean, median, and mode computations, and this time we're going to be doing an example with an even number of data values. Listed below are the number of doctors' offices visits made by 8 families during the past year. They have the list of data which we can also send to Excel. As I mentioned earlier in the movie, and I'm hoping that Alex will be able to get this fixed, is that when you select the data values, they automatically import into the Alex calculator. In the past, you would just sort the data values, and then you could find the smallest to the largest, find the middle number, and be done. But unfortunately, that feature is not working for whatever reason, even though I did try it in several browsers. So we're going to send the data to Excel. I show you in the part 1 version of this movie how to download Excel if you're a Sierra College student. So I double click on the data values, and I have my values here. They're asking us to find the median first, so I'm going to select those data values. There's an A to the Z sort tab, so I'll select that, and then I'll sort smallest to largest. And now I have the data sorted from smallest to largest. Since we have an even number of data values, we're going to take that even number of 8 and we're going to divide it by 2, and that gives us 4. And to find the median, we're going to take the average of the 4th and 5th data value. Using the pen tool, I'll count out that 4th and 5th data value. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's my 4th data value. And 4 again is my 5th data value, and the average of 4 and 4 is going to also be 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. And then when you divide that by 2, you're equal to 8 divided by 2, which is 4. So whenever the values are the same, the average is also going to be that same value. So the median is going to be 4. There are 4 numbers below and 4 numbers above. We can also use the median function given on Excel. If you select equals and type in MED, you'll see here in the drop-down menu, let me do it again so you can see it. If I type in that MED, you see there it says median. We can just select median. It'll automatically default to what's above, but since we've done some other computations, it's not, so I'll select those values. So it's finding the median. I need to make sure I go all the way up. So it's finding the median of A1 through A8. And again, we get 4. We can find the average as well by using the function tool. So I'll select equal. Average is there, so I'll double click on that average. It's selecting A1 through A9. I don't want to take the average of that 4 because that was the median, so I'll change it to A8. So now I'm only finding the average of the first 8 values. I get 4.375. I'm going to round to the nearest tenth, so I'm going to go to the hundreds place, which is 7. Since 7 is greater than or equal to 5, I'm going to increase the previous digit by 1. So I'm going to increase the 3 by 1. So that's going to become a 4. So therefore, the average is going to be 4.4. We'll go out to Alex and write in that value. So 4.4 for the average. That's weird, it won't draw the dot. We'll just deselect the pen tool. Oh, that is cool. I didn't even know you could do that. And 4.4. The median is 4 and the average is 4.4. Again, be careful as you're doing these problems. They interchange which one they ask for first. So this one's asking you for the median, so you know that's the middle number, and the mean is the average. We also see that once the data was sorted, that we had several data values that were duplicated. Now we see we have 3 1s and 3 4s. They both occur the same amount of times, so we have 2 modes, 1 and 4. So you can see with the mode, you could have 0 modes, you could have 1 mode, or you could have more than 2 or more modes. And uh-oh, what did I do? I think I hiccuped and put the wrong values in. So I hope this movie on mean, median, and mode computations was helpful for you.